It's been about a month since I hit that monetization mark on YouTube, and I wanted to make sure that I'm explaining exactly what this process is like, because I know a lot of business owners out there, a lot of you out there are wondering what it's like, and I know that you're also missing out on the benefits that YouTube has for your business. So not only am I gonna show you behind the scenes, be super duper transparent on everything that's going on monetary wise, the metrics that are coming in on my YouTube channel, but I wanna let you know that if you are a business owner, you're either considering jumping on YouTube, you're looking at other people on YouTube and you're wondering if you can do it for yourself, you definitely can. Okay, before I jump into the monetary metrics, that's not even the biggest advantage and the biggest benefit that YouTube has for business owners. Yes, it's another income stream, but the biggest thing is that you're getting the word out. More people are getting to know your business, and this works as a lead gen strategy. That means that you're getting new customers. More people are inquiring about your services, your products, if you're doing it correctly, and you can literally, instead of investing that money that you used to spend on ads and all that good stuff, put in the time, get on YouTube, and then enjoy that other income stream that's coming in with your YouTube monetization. So if you are a business owner, before I even jump in, I want you to scroll down, get that free YouTube checklist, and I promise you, you can follow step by step and get your business up on YouTube too. All right, as promised, let's go on in to my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on, and I'm gonna explain all the metrics behind it. Let's go. Here is the big reveal. So, as you can see right here on my screen, in the last 90 days, I've made $255.38. I have not been monetized the full 90 days. I did get monetized around October 11th. So from there, we can go, let's say the last 28 days, it's been a little longer, let's say around 194, okay? So let's say roughly it's about a $200 income stream straight from YouTube. My CPM is about 6.69. That is increasing. I have seen it increase slowly these days. So what do I know behind these metrics? First of all, as you guys know, my channel at the beginning was in English and Spanish. So I do still have a big audience of Spanish speakers that are located either in South America or Central America. This does mean that my CPM is getting divided by different locations. It is obviously super interesting to understand all of this, but it is also why my CPM is higher compared to maybe others that are looking from different industries. Obviously, this is an industry where it's educational marketing. The CPM usually is a lot higher than, let's say, lifestyle, beauty, and those style of videos. But it is a little lower in comparison to that whole educational and kind of like make money online industry, since I do have a lot of people still watching from other locations, okay? So my channel in Spanish is going to have a completely different CPM. And just in case, if you don't know what CPM is basically that cost per 1,000 views. So YouTube, the way that YouTube works is that businesses advertise on these platforms and they show up during your videos, and the amount of money that gets paid to YouTube, 55% goes to the creator, to me, this girl right here that's creating this video right now. So it's a good percentage compared to different platforms. That's why YouTube is a win-win situation. But here comes the stuff. I'm gonna be really transparent with you, and you guys know that I use an application that tracks my time. Toggle has helped me track my time, whether I'm working in the agency with client stuff, whether I'm working on my personal brand, whatever it may be. So here comes the reality. I have tracked my time on YouTube all over these months. It's been about like a 6-month time span since I started YouTube. And in total, I've clocked 318 hours, my friends. That's when you can see that this isn't just, okay, let me get on YouTube, let me make some money and that's it. No, you have to be in it for the long run. But if you're in it for the long run, I promise you that your business will see the benefits. And let me repeat to you what I said at the beginning. If you are a business on YouTube, your goal is not the monetization. This is just another income stream that we have coming in. Your goal is to really establish your YouTube business ladder, and that's all inside that guide that you should already have. Establish your YouTube business ladder in order to generate new customers from your YouTube videos. If you're asking, Laura, how do you even generate customers from your YouTube videos? Well, you give them the information that they need, you give them a solution, and then they start getting into your community. It's all explained in that guide, so go ahead and get it. And even if you don't have a business yet, but you obviously are a content creator and you want to establish your business or you want to build a personal brand, it's the same exact process, all right? So obviously we see 318 hours all along. There was some months where there was a lot more time, and we do have to keep in mind that during this time I was also editing my videos, which I can now outsource, and I was recording, scripting, researching, designing thumbnails. There's just so much stuff that goes into it. It's not a quick and easy, let me record, let me put it out there, and let's see how it performs. There's a strategy when it comes to YouTube, and knowing that strategy will save you a lot of time. You want to make sure that you're investing your time wisely. You're putting in your time exactly where it has to go in order for your videos to perform, to reach your ideal audience, and to bring back a benefit and reach your business goal. That's why us business owners are on YouTube. And like I mentioned, there's a lot of you that I feel are missing out on this. Yes, it's an investment in time, but it does have a bigger reward. So if you feel like you're missing out, download that guide and then get in contact with me. I'd love to help you out. I'd love to tell you a little more about how this whole thing works, because I really do feel that more business owners need to take advantage of it. That's why I'm putting so much noise on YouTube, because I was really in shock to see all the potential that YouTube has and to know that not that many businesses are taking advantage of it. So if you're asking, okay, Laura, but how many videos do you have? I have about 100 videos up as of today on my YouTube channel. Yes, I put a lot of time into it because obviously these months I was able to, with our clients, I was able to manage the agency and developing and bringing up my personal brand. Is that needed? No. Is that the average? Definitely not. 3 to 4 videos a week is not the average, and it's not at all what you have to do in order to grow on YouTube. You can grow on YouTube by posting once a week. The goal is really to be consistent, to know what you're doing, and to have a plan and a strategy. And all that is already done for you inside that guide, which you can get for free just by clicking the link below. So what are you waiting for? All right. So with that, what do I recommend for you? What is your homework from this video? Number 1, get that guide. Number 2, jump on YouTube. YouTube is waiting for you to spill your knowledge, to get on there, to showcase what you know, and to spread it out with the world. There is so much room on YouTube. There are so many people that search on YouTube daily, and don't forget that YouTube is connected with Google. So that Google search is a lot of traffic coming to your videos if you are doing it correctly. As you know, I'm also working with Gabe, my agency co-founder, who's also growing on YouTube. We have our agency YouTube channel and my Spanish YouTube channel as well, which I'm posting weekly now on. It's a strategy that once you get the hold of it, you can really get going with it. So take this as a glimpse into the YouTube world. Take this not as a way of, oh, okay, let me make quick money online. No, 300 hours, you know that's not quick money online. It takes a lot of time, a lot of investment and dedication and consistency, but it's worth it. So that's all for today. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you thought of this video. Obviously, I want to make sure that I'm transparent as possible. That's why I'm showing you the big glimpse of this so that you know everything that's going on behind the scenes. All right, see you next week. Bye-bye.